Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss the standard 6th chapter number 1st, understanding diversity. First we understand the meaning of word diverse. Diverse. Diverse means very different from each other. And the word diversity also has the meaning the wide variety of something. We can discuss the wide variety of food, wide variety of clothes, wide variety of work. As we know, India is a large country and it has many states and union territories. So, we have many languages, many culture and various lifestyle or different type habitats to live in the places like Ladakh in Jammu Kashmir or the state Kerala. That one is situated on the seaside of where one side touch the hills and one side touch the seaside. So we can say that the wide variety of food, clothes and work that we face, these are diversity. First, we know and understand by a miniature. There are three types pictured on the miniature or the page. First picture has different type clothes. Second picture has different type clothes, and third picture also has different type clothes. Here is given a box and writer wants that we should draw a similar or a different type picture in the given box. So we can understand that if we draw a picture on the given box, that will be different from these drawn pictures. So these are different type pictures. So we can understand that the different from each other is the diversity. The lesson has a story and some facts. First we discuss that what does diversity add to our lives and diversity in India. We have discussed that India is a large country and there are spoken many languages and the people wear many type dresses or clothes. and different type culture, different type food. So these are the second name of diversity. We understand this by the given text. Diversity in India. India is a country of many diversities. We speak different languages. We speak different languages. Just we speak our mother tongue or Marwadi or Rajasthani at our house, and we speak English in English medium school and Hindi also in many places or many states of India. So we speak different languages, have various types of food, celebrate different festivals, practice different religions. This is the diversity in India. We can understand it by the history of the diversity that we are facing these days. Just this came through a little more than 200 years ago, or long before the train, aeroplane, bus, or car become a part of our lives. People traveled from one part of the world to another in ships, on horses, on camels, or on foot. Next page. Often they went in search of new lands or new places to settle in, or for people to trade with. And because it took so long to travel, once they got to a place, people stayed there, often for a long time. Many others left their homes because there were famines and drought. Famines and drought, and they could not get enough to eat. Some went in search of work, while others left because there was a war. Sometimes, as they began to make their homes in new places, people began to change a little, and at other times, they managed to do things in the old ways. So, their languages, food, music, religions become a mix of the old and the new. And out of this intermixing of cultures came something new and different. And this is the part of diversity. The history of many places shows us how many different cultural influences have helped to shape life and culture there. Thus, regions become very diverse because of their unique histories. Similarly, diversity also comes about when people adapt their lives to the geographical area in which they live. This is the important point, that diversity also comes about when people adapt their lives to the geographical area in which they live. For example, living near the sea is quite different from living in a mountainous area. Let us try to understand what we mean when we say that historical and geographical factors influence the diversity of a region. We can do this by reading about life in two different parts of the country, Kerala and Ladakh. We know that Ladakh is a desert in the mountains in the eastern part of Jammu and Kashmir. Very little agriculture is possible here. since this region does not receive any rain and is covered in snow for a large part of the year. There are very few trees that can grow in the region. For drinking water, people depend on the melting snow during the summer months. Snow means ice. Snow means ice. People here keep sheep and goats. The goats is in this region are special because they produce pashmina wool. This wool is prized and pashmina shawls cost a lot of money. The people in Ladakh carefully collect the wool of the goats and sell this to traders from Kashmir. Pashmina shawls are chiefly woven in Kashmir, where the second part we are discussing in diversity. To explain it more, Kerala. Kerala is a state in the southwest corner of India. It is surrounded by the sea on one side and hills on the other. A number of spices like pepper, cloves, and cardamoms are grown on the hills. It is spices that made this region an attractive place for traders. Just we have known that a part that we have discussed, Ladakh. Ladakh is different from the other part in India that we have discussed, Kerala. So, we have understood that the living style or culture or taking food or clothes are different types in different parts of our country. We wear different type dresses in Rajasthan, where Gujarati and Maharashtrian or Marathi wears different type dresses, and they have different type culture, different type food. So these are the wide varieties of foods, clothes, and work are considered the diversity. Just we have discussed two places as Kerala and Ladakh. In next topic, we will discuss the next point as unity in diversity. I hope you have understood the basic meaning of diverse and basic theory of diversity. We will meet in new videos. Thank you.